Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your brand on LinkedIn Showcase pages step by step clearly. To authenticate your brand on LinkedIn Showcase pages, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your company page by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the company page you want to authenticate. Once on the company page, look for the Add Showcase Page button on the right side of the screen. Click on the Add Showcase Page button to begin the process. Enter the name of your showcase page in the provided field. Ensure that the name accurately reflects the brand or initiative it represents. Next, write a brief description that highlights the goals and key messages of your showcase. Keep the description clear and concise, focusing on what makes your brand unique. After the description, upload a high-quality logo image that represents your brand. This logo will help viewers identify your showcase page easily. Follow this by choosing a banner image that resonates with the theme of your showcase. The banner should be visually appealing and align with your overall branding. Double-check that all entered information is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, click on the Create Showcase Page button to finalize your page. Now that your showcase page is created, it's essential to be proactive. Share content regularly that reflects your brand's mission and values. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Monitor your page analytics to understand what content resonates best with your audience. Use these insights to refine your strategy and improve engagement over time. Authenticating your brand on LinkedIn Showcase pages can enhance your visibility and credibility. Make sure to keep your showcase updated with relevant content and branding elements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.